Want to know how to detect palindrome words in a sentence using Java? Well, it's super easier and it's really easier than it sounds, and it's just under a few lines of code. So let's get straight to it. Now we start with a sentence like a race car level Java code. So we split the sentence first. We split it into words using the split method. So you can see sentence.split method right here. And once that is done, it's going to get splitted. Now look through each word and check if it reads the same forward and backward. To do that, we create a helper method called isPalindrome. So right here you can see isPalindrome method under the if statement right here. And if it matches, it's a palindrome, and then we print it. This way the program filters out and displays only and displays only the palindrome words from the whole sentence. It's useful in string filtering, text analysis, or just Java practice. Try this with user input or longer sentences as well. So you can just simply run this code to check it and modify it, or just copy this code for yourself. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.